How to add another email on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add another email on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click personal and account information, and here just click edit and then click add email address, and now just type any email here and then type your email here and type your Facebook password and click add email. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.